was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This is a place where I feel
A couple days ago, I made a commitment to myself to wake up early and either ride my bike or run. This is day 3, and I feel like it's working. Just finished my run. Now I gotta do the 100 push-up challenge I've been doing with my friends, so I'm gonna bust those out and then hit a shower, and then we're going dirt bike riding. Getting the GoPro and everything packed up. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Cleared his arm and his tire, so we did a burnout and called it a day. So when Cletus washed out, he hurt his arm, so we're actually gonna go get new tires for both of our bikes. Time to get some fresh rubber, boy.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Got the rubber. Just to compare. Dang. All right, bet. Okay, grab the bars, grab the bars.
God dang.
It's a little harder. We're headed to Hero Motorsports to get all these tires mounted up. Of course, we're running behind, as it always seems.
Oh yeah, always running behind.
Hey, this is Eugene with Hero Motorsports. We specialize in ECU, tuning, flashing, and performance builds in general. Everything from engines to suspensions, clutches. We'll help you get your gearing set up, tires, you name it, we're here for it.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
After an incredibly long day, the bike is at Hero Motorsports as well as Cletus's wheels, so tomorrow morning we'll have everything ready to rip.
Always running behind.
One eternity later.
It's dark in here. Like, how bright can it get?
That's it.
That's it? Yeah. On our way to Hero Motorsports to pick up the bike.
Finally.
What's up? What's up?
Hey,
How's it going?
good. What's up, man?
It's so annoying. And just like, because he was just constantly trolling everybody, but I just didn't understand it. You know? Because I didn't actually take the time to get to know him. I just thought he was annoying.
I can see that.
Boom. For your records.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're done. Have a good night, man.
You too, bro. Oh, shit. No, he did. Got some fresh rubber on there, ready to shred. And just like that, we had some fresh tires and we're ready to shred. Thanks again to Eugene at Hero Motorsports for providing us with incredible turnaround time, and thanks to Grapevine Powersports for being incredibly knowledgeable and getting us set up with some great rubber. An important part of shredding in whatever vehicle it is you have is keeping up with the maintenance. If you're like me, you find satisfaction in trying to do as much of that on your own as you can. Every Monday on my Instagram, I'll be posting a series I like to call Maintenance Monday, where I do some form of maintenance on my bike. I generally like to try and keep up with things and make sure I'm happy with the way it's running. So if that's something you're interested in, my Instagram will be linked in the description. As always, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace out.